Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the washer-drive motor in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Remove the two rear access panel clips. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws so you can detach the access panels. Use a short flathead screwdriver to help detach the spring clips securing the washer's top panel and lid. Pull the top panel forward, then lift up. Using a 5/16" socket or nut driver, unthread the screw to release the support bar from the front panel. Next, unthread the screws securing the front panel to the side panels. Lift the front panel up and out. Detach the drain pump retaining clips and pull the pump off of the motor shaft. Disconnect the motor wire harness and the capacitor wires. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screws, securing the motor retaining clips. Detach the lower clip first and support the motor as you detach the upper clip. Pull the old motor off of the mounting plate. Remove the drive coupler's cog from the motor shaft. This may require some effort. Prepare the new drive motor for installation by transferring the capacitor and bracket from the old motor to the new one. Transfer the shield as well. Carefully push the removed cog onto the new motor shaft until it is flush against it, or install a new cog. Make sure the 4 rubber grommets are in place on the motor mounting pins, and the isolator is in place on the coupler cog attached to the transmission. Now install the new motor by aligning the cog so the prongs will insert into the isolator as you align the motor on the mounting plate. Reposition the motor retaining clips and snap them into position. Rethread the mounting screws. Connect the motor wire harness along with the capacitor wires. Align the drain pump on the motor shaft, then secure it with the retaining clips. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the slots in the panel on the side panel mounting clips. Thread the screws to secure. Reposition the support bar and thread the screw. Realign the top panel and lid on the washer and push the panel straight back. Be aware the lid switch wire connector on the panel needs to be fully connected with the receptacle on the frame. Reinsert the 2 spring clips to secure the panel. Reposition the rear access panels and rethread the screws. Reinsert the access panel clips. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.